How to install LEVOLOR Trim+Go roller shades using the dual mount brackets inside mount. Dual mount brackets let you hang two different roller shades on the same window to maximize light control and privacy, and mix and match finishes for new looks. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need: metal tape measure, pencil, flathead or Phillips head screwdriver, drill with 1/8 inch bit, a ladder or step stool if needed. Unpack your shades. Slide the hem bar into the bottom of the shade. First, measure the width of the shade tube from end to end. This width will determine where your mounting holes go. Next, mark bracket positions inside the window frame. And drill your pilot holes. Then, install each bracket using 2 of the supplied screws. Now, you can choose which way you want to install your shades. Shades can be hung back or front roll. Back roll shades are rolled so that it hangs off the back of the roll. The pin will be on the right side. Front roll shades are rolled so that it hangs off the front of the roll. The tab will be on the right side. You can hang your shades in a variety of front-back roll combinations as shown in the installation manual. Today, we will hang both shades back roll. Starting with the back roller, install the shade with the right side pin first. Then the tab will slide into place. Use both hands to raise and lower each shade for the ultimate in light and privacy control. You're all set and ready to start enjoying your LEVOLOR shades today, tomorrow, and every day.